Assalamu alaikum, this is Haris. Today we are going to discuss about parallelogram law of vector addition. Even we have discussed in the previous lecture about triangle law of vector addition, that is also valid for the two vectors, and parallelogram law of vector addition, that is also valid for the two vectors. We can never add more than two vectors by using this. So this is quite simple. What you have to do, if two vectors are representing the two sides of the parallelogram joined by their tails, then the diagonal between the two sides of the parallelogram joined by their tails represents the resultant. Okay, so that is much easy. We are going to use the two vectors right here, that is same that we have used in the previous lecture, that is we do have the case previously, the two vectors. Why we are using the same example in each case means in the head to tail rule, and in the case of triangle law of vector addition, and in the case of parallelogram law of vector addition, because we are getting the same result. To prove it, that whether we will use head to tail rule, whether we will use triangle law of vector addition, whether we will use parallelogram law of vector addition, we will get exactly same result. Okay, so the question that we do have, find the resultant of the two vectors, the 10 Newton and the 40 Newton, in the direction of east and 60 degree from east to north respectively. Now what does it mean by this? The 10 Newton force is the first force vector, 40 Newton force is being the second force vector, and the direction is being labeled with the letter respectively. Means, what does it mean by this? The first direction means east, refer to the 10 Newton force, and the 60 degree from east to north refer to the second force, mean that is 40 Newton. So what we have to do, we have to choose suitable scale. Likewise we have done earlier. 1 centimeter represent 5 Newton, 2 centimeter represent 10 Newton, 8 centimeter represent 40 Newton. So we do represent it individually right here. 10 Newton force in the direction of east in this way with the scale value, and the 8 centimeter with the base angle from east, that is 60 degree, representing the 40 Newton force northeast. Okay, 60 degree. Now we have to use parallelogram law of vector addition. So how we could apply the parallelogram law of vector addition? Its earlier answer is 45 Newton and 50 degree. So we do see whether we have the same answer from it or not. We can prove it easily. You see right here, see right here, see right here. Now we are going to represent. Yes, 60 degree, 60 degree. Yes, 2 centimeter vector means 10 Newton vector already we have drawn from east. The second base angle we have sketched already right here. Now we have to draw the 60 degree, and here we don't need this line. This is additional constructed line. Okay, you can even rub it, because you are going to join right here by their tails. Okay, we are going to represent the two vectors right here by their tails, and 60 degree the second vector's tail, because parallelogram law of vector addition says that we are going to represent the two sides of the parallelogram joined by their tails, means two tails are going to coincide with each other. Yes, 60 degree, this one is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yes, this one. Yes, I got it. Yes. 60 degree, and we have 40 Newton means 8 centimeter in this way. Yes, in this way, 8 centimeter. Yes, that must pass through this point. Yes. This is being passing right here, 8 centimeter in this way. Now the two vectors are joined by tails, and the angle between them is being 60 degree. Yes, because the first one is along east and the second one is east to north 60 degree, so their tails must have angle 60 degree. Now their diagonal will be the resultant. First we must represent the parallelogram, and we all know that parallelogram having four sides. How we do complete the parallelogram? Because the restriction we do have for the application of the parallelogram, we must construct the parallelogram. First we have to join their tails with their angle between them. Now we have to draw, we have to complete the parallelogram having four sides, having these sides are parallel to each other. So we do draw, yes, already we have, yes, baseline we do draw right here in this way, 60 degree from here, 60 degree from here. Yes, this one is 60 degree, and we do draw another vector. Yes, we do have 8 centimeter line that must pass through this, 8 centimeter line that must pass through this. Yes, we are having 8 centimeter line in this way. Okay, exactly the two lines are parallel to have the parallelogram. Yes, now we must connect them. That must be 2 centimeter, because this one is 2 centimeters, so this must be 2 centimeter. Yes, accurately it is 2 centimeter. Accurately, yes. So it becomes a complete parallelogram. Now earlier we have discussed the resultant we can get by the diagonal between the two tails. Diagonal between the two tails. Now diagonal. Yes, and exactly it is coming 9 centimeters as we were expecting earlier. Yes, come. Yes, exactly it is 9 centimeters as we were expecting earlier. And its direction we can even measure it. This one will be 50 degree. This one will be 50 degree, and the angle between the two vectors, that will be 60 degree. This angle is 60 and this angle is 50 degree. Let me check. Yes, exactly 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So accurately we do have again 9 centimeter line of the resultant. So resultant of a vector is 9 centimeter, which basically means 45 Newton. Why? Because 1 centimeter represents 5 Newton. So 45 Newton, and its direction is exactly same. Direction is 50 degree from east to north. See, you can compare it. 9 centimeters same, and 45 Newton and 50 degree, and even by using the triangle of vector addition as we have done in the previous lecture, you were having the same value, 9 centimeter and 50 degree, exactly same result we do have. So it is being proved that triangle law of vector addition and parallelogram law of vector addition is being used, and they both are correct and they will give the same reading. So kindly like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.